Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today, we have our helper James, and he's going to be helping us with another Ryan's toy review. James, what toy do we have today?
Today we have the Ryan's Ooze Universe Series 2 Confetti.
Oh.
Here's what we can collect. There's 5 ooze colors. We have purple, green, blue, red, and orange. And here's what we can collect. The glacier, the roller coaster, and the island. What's under our lid? Let's check it out. Okay, here, have to open it. Okay, now all we have to do is this. And here we get pecked. I think this is the glacier.
Nice.
Let's see if it is. The glacier has the igloo on top, and this has the igloo on top. Like, peck is from the island. So let's pour this on top and see what's going to happen. Here we're going to pour this on top. So here we have the confetti slime. Let's take it out.
There's confetti in the slime.
There is confetti all here. All you have to do is mix it so it can be different places. But now we're gonna just lay it on top and see what will happen.
Oh, wow.
It's actually forming, going down. Let's see what happens.
This is so cool. It's flowing all the way down like a volcano.
Now we have Peck to put on top.
And Peck is jumping on top of the volcano. You think Peck is gonna fall?
I don't know. Let's see. He's falling.
It's falling.
He's falling.
Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Is Peck gonna fall?
I think he
Oh, Peck is falling. Oh, well. This is an awesome toy. This is a fun toy for kids. Oh, and it's also a scientific toy.
If you guys like science at all,
If you like science and you like fun, if you like volcano stuff, this toy is very good.
it comes with the animal too.
Yes, if you like science toys, experiment toys, this toy is for you. And we just want to talk about Anthony Robbins, and the quote for today is, identify your problems, but give your power and energy to the solution. So if you have a problem at school or at home, find out what the problem is, but don't spend too much time on that problem. Spend your time and energy looking for a solution to the problem. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and families, like and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel, it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.